Load transfer in piles. In repair of deteriorated columns and piles, a new concrete shell is often cast around the old pile for strengthening. It is necessary to transfer the loads from this concrete shell to the host pile. When the pile is made from timber or concrete, the surface of the pile is typically rough enough to transfer these stresses through friction. However, when the host pile or column is made of steel, the relatively smooth surface of steel impedes on transfer of the loads through friction. Our patent-pending ShearWrap is made of customized steel straps with optional welded wings or flanges. These straps are placed around the pile, and the bolts are tightened to a designed torque. This allows each ShearWrap to transfer a certain level of load from the concrete shell to the host pile through enhanced friction. The ShearWraps get embedded in concrete. Our engineers will provide calculations for the number of ShearWraps required above and below the damaged zone to ensure a continuous load path from the good portion of the pile, bypassing the weakened portion, and back to the strong portion of the pile. A similar device, called ShearClamp, can be used for steel H-piles. If you are curious, make sure to watch the video of our manufacturing facility where these products are fabricated. Please click on the button to the right to follow us on our YouTube channel.